Somebody type something into Vegas Dachies.
I'll have a lock on this
Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so cute. No, 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 no. Wait, madam, no!
She had enough of your shit.
No, go back. Go back. It should ring any second.
Please leave your message.
What?
It's not ringing.
No. Okay.
Try Google, try Telegram calling me.
Okay, I'll try Telegram calling you. He actually want me to do this now.
Yeah, see? It said it again. What? The mobile boarding pass is currently unavailable.
Just resend it to you. Turn on your data.
It
Poor
is.
bird.
It's on the internet.
Turn on your
That is
texting
so
data.
cute.
The texting and calling are always on, Laura. It's the data with the internet I turn off.
Do it again, because I worry that you didn't get your boarding pass.
I could get it there, or I could just print it from here.
My poor bird.
It's not impossible to get it, Laura.
Poor bird.
Oh, she shook her butt.
My poor bird.
She's preening now. Maybe she thinks it's cockatiel rain.
Did you hear that squeak? Okay, haven't you done this enough now?
She attacked it a little bit. She's preening. I swear this is triggering her rain senses. Give her a hair bath.
Give her a hair bath?
Yeah. I'm